Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to auto-archive emails in Microsoft Outlook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab, and then select Options, select Advanced on the left panel here, and then on the right side versus Auto Archive, reduce mailbox size by deleting or moving old items to an archive data file. Select the Auto Archive settings button. So you can checkmark the option to run Auto Archive every so many days. You can also prompt the user to give you a notification before it runs. So you can see that during the Auto Archive, it's programmed presently to delete expired items or deleted and old items, clean out items older than, and it says how many months you want to go back, or days or weeks, whatever your preference is. And it gives you the folder directory of where it's going to move the old items to. And you can also have the option to permanently delete old items. Generally, that's probably not very advisable. And if you're already making an archive, you really shouldn't need to delete old items. Storage is very cheap nowadays. Even external hard drives, you can get very large hard drives pretty cheap. You probably just want to archive them if you have to get them out of your inbox. And then select OK, and then OK again. And hopefully that was able to help address the topic you were coming to this tutorial in regards to. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.